Hi guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is Ibiza 2 from Tsukihoshi Kids. This shoe is going to be great for the splash pad or even just playing outside all day. It's got great bright colors that are a lot of fun, made of a breathable textile and synthetic upper. You can see that there's some mesh detailing for breathability, has a hook and loop strap for a nice easy adjustable fit, and you've got a back pull tab too. Inside's going to be soft around the skin. It's got a heel counter to support those active little feet, and the inside actually has a water-friendly quick dry lining. Now you've got this cool little removable insole, just in case your little one has an orthotic, they can accommodate with that, but it's also got green tea infused antibacterial technology, which I think is so cool. The shoe is lightweight overall, it's nice and flexible too, and the bottom has a TPR outsole that gives great shock absorption and slip resistance. Keep them playing in the water, on the playground, wherever they want with these shoes from Tsukihoshi Kids.